Are you tired of being buried under a mountain of paperwork? Yeah, we get it. Let's talk about it.
So, are you still trying to manage your daily operations the old-fashioned way? You're not alone if you are. You know that feeling, right? That moment of panic when someone asks for a specific paper log. This chaos isn't just frustrating, it has real costs. Wasted time, errors, and zero accountability. Okay, so there's a better way. It's called the Security First Digital Platform, or SFDP for short. And the difference is pretty much night and day. Scattered paper versus one central digital platform. So how does this actually solve those daily headaches? Well, let's break down its unified approach. First up, security gets a major boost. Think QR check-ins and digital tracking for everything. Then it smooths out your core operations. All those paper logs, they become simple digital workflows. And all that data? It's turned into real-time dashboards, so you can make smarter, faster decisions.
Let's see it in action. A visitor just scans a QR code. It's instant, touchless, and secure.
This isn't just about looking modern. We're talking about real, measurable business value here.
The numbers really speak for themselves. That's over 1.7 million digital records created. It's a proven system.
And get this, businesses using it report a huge drop in all that tedious manual admin work.
So, what's the bottom line? You save time, you cut costs, and you get way better accountability.
This really sums it up perfectly. Save time, cut costs, and gain control. It's that simple.
So that leaves one big question for you. Is your business truly ready to make the digital shift?